I hope you all have a good day. Today I hope to show you how to make a homemade cement pot using a terrazzo silicone mold. So let's go to the video now.
Problem SL.
For this we need one or more terrazzo silicone molds. In addition, you will need cement. I am using white cement here. In addition, you will need water. You also need a container like this. Then put the cement in the container. Then add the required amount of water and mix. Then pour the cement mixture into the terrazzo silicone mold. After 24 hours, remove the terrazzo silicone mold. Then soak it in water for 48 hours. Remember to dry your terrazzo creations thoroughly in a dry place and avoid drying in direct sunlight. Here is the cement pot we created at home. Try it out for yourself. So I'm ending the video for today. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you think the video is good, don't forget to leave a like. If there are those who haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel too.
Problem SL. Press the subscribe button.